Those ladies are there. They are there. One is there. All of them. Slowly. Slowly. All. Wait. Traders. All of them. Bring that drone here. No, you came and pushed me out. I was trying to explain to them. What have I done? No. Let me ask you, what have I done? Do you remember the way you pushed me from inside? No. Do you remember how you pushed me? What did you do? You're saying you're not free. Are you in your uniform? Are you in uniform? Alan, I know you, but I cannot be treated like this. I know those people are going to kill us. They're going to punish us. Those is very drone. They use them to punish us. Who are you? I am. Who are you? But what have I done? Just who are you? Who are you? Am I going with you? Those people, they took us, remember what happened in Kayunga? Those matter people. One pick you out of your government. We all this sincerely. Why? You cannot change you listen
What I can say for now is that we are carrying on random arrests on persons whom we have got outside the required guidelines for these by-elections. Okay? I've been emphasizing that we gave opportunity for people during the campaign period to freely interact with their supporters and with their candidates. That was during the campaign period. But today is the voting day for the eligible voters of Omoro County. So if you are from Kampala and you want to be part of this, really we see irrelevance in that. Okay? So, our intelligence has established that there is a section of persons who are mobilizing themselves from outside there with ill motives of coming to interfere with this process, which is very wrong. So you see, the high level of vigilance we have exhibited and our forces are trying to implement is that we are trying to curtail the aliens who want to come and interfere with the by-elections here in Omoro. Okay, so these random arrests are targeting the defaulters who are trying to go outside the required guidelines of Electoral Commission. We are not targeting any particular camp. We are not targeting the camp of NRM. We are not targeting the camp of FDC. We are not targeting the camp of no. But we are targeting persons who who are trying to interfere with this by-election process. Okay? So this operation is still ongoing. And for now, it is too early to give accountability. Because one, the detectives are still actively profiling and compiling their records, harmonizing their records. Okay? And I know this operation is still ongoing because we still expect more of them outside there. And therefore, at an appropriate time, we are going to give accountability of who is in our custody.